Hey neighbor, welcome back. It's been raining here a lot recently. It's welcome due to all the drought that we've been in. But let me share with you guys 4 quick tips of what you can do for your lawn after a heavy rainstorm. First, you want to allow your lawn to dry out by removing any leaves or sticks or fallen debris. This can include kids' toys, as these items can hold on to moisture and promote disease growth in your lawn. Next, don't mow right away, as wet ground is more easily compacted. Want to replace any loose soil that might have eroded away, especially if you see exposed grass roots. And then last, empty out any standing water in your yard to decrease your mosquito population. Thanks for watching and enjoy the free nitrogen. I'll see you guys in the next one.